Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on equations, no? And tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung discussion natin on equations with unknowns on both sides, no? So, both sides of the equality sign. Okay, so here we have x plus 1/8 equals negative x. So, paano kaya to? Diba sabi natin, we want x to be on one side and all the numbers, no, on the other side. So, saan nyo gusto yung x? Sa kaliwa, sa kanan. Kung gusto nyo na sa kanan, para isang step lang. So, x plus 1/8 equals negative x. So, magma-minus x ako dito para matanggal ko to. Pero magma-minus x din ako dito. Okay? So, 1/8 na lang matitira dito kasi yung x minus x is 0. So, 1/8 is equal to negative 2x. And again, gusto ko x lang yung matira sa kabila. So, tatanggalin ko yung negative 2 or minus 2. And I can do that by dividing, diba? By negative 2. So, dividing both sides by negative 2 or divide by negative 2. Or, this is the same as multiplying by negative 1/2. Diba? So, negative 1/2, dividing by negative 2 is actually multiplying by negative 1/2. Diba? Multiplying the reciprocal. So, negative 1/2. So, magka-cancel yan, maka-cancel x equals negative 1/16 or negative 1/16. Alright. Okay, so sabi ko sa inyo before, isa sa mga method pag mayroong fraction is to multiply everything by the denominator. Kung isa lang yung fraction. Pag more than one, tignan nyo yung LCD ng mga fractional parts. So here, I think ang pinakamadali dito is to multiply everything by 5, di ba? So multiply the left-hand side by 5 and then multiply the right-hand side by 5 also. So magiging, ang 2/5 magiging 2 na lang yan. So this is 2x plus, this is 5 times 7, this is 35, equals 5x. Tama? Alright. So again, 5x minus 2x. By the way, kung komportable kayo sa kaliwa, yung x nyo or yung variable nyo or unknown, di pwede nyo ilipat dito, 5x. Dapat dito ako magpa-5x minus 2x, di ba? Pero pwede na ako dito, 5x minus 2x. 5x minus 2x is on the right-hand side. Ginawa ko lang siyang left-hand side. Again, equal 35 pa rin, di ba? Parang nag-minus 2x naman ako dito, di ba? Minus 2x. And then, nag-minus 2x ako dito. And then, nilipat ko to dito at iniwan ko to dito. Or nilipat din, sorry. Alright? So, 5x minus 2x is equal to 35, meaning that we have 3x. 3x equals 35, which means that x equals 35/3. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo mo i-convert into mixed number, pwede naman. Pero ako, I'll mark this a full point pag ako yung teacher nyo. Okay? Again, same strategy, multiply everything by yung denominator. Kung nag-iisa lang yung fraction. So, multiply everything by 4. Mas maganda nung method na to kasi may iwasan nyo yung fraction kung ayaw mag-fraction. So, multiply by 4. Alright? So, magiging 3x plus 36 equals 4x plus 12. By distributive property, dinistribute ko siya. So, 4 times 3/4 x is just 3x kasi makakancel ito. And then 4 times 9 is 36. So, this is equal to Yun, inano ko naman, dinistribute. So, 4x plus 12. Okay, so wala na tayong fraction. So, pwede na natin ito i-diretso. This is 4x plus 12. Magma-minus ako ng 3x dito. Ayoko yung 3x dito. Minus 3x. Ibig sabihin, nasa kanan yung x natin. Which means that siguro tapusin ko na lang. This is a minus 3x. So this means that 36 equals x plus 12. Kasi mawawala na to. Mawawala yung 3x pero may natira pa tayong isa na x. So we have x plus 12. And then, para x na lang matira sa kanan, we have to subtract 12. This minus 12. $36. This is a minus 12. And x is equal to 24. Alright. So again, if you want, you can substitute the value of x doon sa mga equations para makita nyo na ano pala siya. Para makita nyo kung tama siya or mali. Okay, so that's it. Maraming salamat. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating tutorials. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/signainph, our website, signain.com, and our Facebook page, facebook.com/user. Sorry, wala siyang user. Sa ano pala yun? Sa YouTube, facebook.com/signainph. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.